The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Preble County, southwestern Montgomery County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Eaton, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Trotwood, Eaton, Camden,